Hey guys, it's your girl Neicy and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video, but first let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, this is a new setup. Yes, I have beautiful lights. Well, in my opinion, they're beautiful. And yes, moving forward, I'll be able to film at nighttime. As of now, it is currently 11:20 at night. I started this video around like 10 o'clock, so it took me that long to film this. So basically, I'm gonna give you a short little rundown, but I'm gonna have a video on the lights and everything behind me. But basically, I DIY'd my desk and turned it into a vanity. That way I could have nice lighting for my videos, and I have somewhere to do my makeup and see, you know, what it's looking like in the mirror, you know, just so that way I don't have to rely on the light outside. I don't have to worry about the natural lighting. I don't have to worry about the sun going down. I don't have to worry about trying to fit it into my busy like day. I can just film at night, kind of like whenever, because I have this light situation set up. So everything in my room is completely turned off. It is dark outside. There's no light other than my vanity mirror. I would show you guys, but I do have a video coming on how I did my mirror, everything like that I bought, how much everything cost, and that video will be coming very soon. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for that. And so now let's get into like what the video is actually about. It is about this eye look. So long story short, I just basically been seeing a lot of like pride type of rainbowy makeup tutorials, and I've never done like two different makeup looks on my eyes, so I thought this would be the perfect time to just kind of like hop on the train. I know you guys have seen this 1,000,001 times, but I've never done it before, so I just thought I would play in a little bit of makeup, test out my lighting. So this video will not be a talk through. There may be like a voiceover, but it's not going to be like me verbally talking. It will be kind of like a fast forward, kind of like how my last video was. I hope that doesn't bother you guys too much, but I know you guys probably seen these type of tutorials over and over again. I just thought I would try it out because testing my lighting, I've been inspired by like rainbowy type of things anyway, so I just thought, why not hop on the train? And you guys, I really liked how it came out. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning I was like, this is about to be a mess, my face gonna be looking a fool, like I do not like to be out here looking crazy. But it actually turned out really nice. I really like the way my makeup turned out. And I'm excited for you all to see how I got this makeup look in the video. But before we get to that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Okay? Why not subscribe? You see I have the new lighting. I got a new little setup. I'm trying to go hard for you guys. Shanice is about to step it up. So if you're not here for the ride now, I'm telling y'all better jump on, subscribe to my channel, and give the video a thumbs up and let me know that you guys liked and enjoyed the video. Also leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. That way the videos get better for you all, or if you just want to talk to me, I'll respond. Hey y'all, that's basically it. I know this intro was kind of long as shit, but it's okay. We're gonna get right into the video.
Flower in the garden that I take advantage of, endlessly admiring every aspect of my nature, yeah. And I know I've never loved the way you do, but when your last petal falls is when I try to get to you. Too late, I know I shouldn't be calling, but so much to say about the way that I'm falling, cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much too late. You're a diamond in the middle of 100,000 stones, constantly reminding me that I am worth as much as gold. And I know I can never come close in comparison. If you give me one more chance again, I swear I'll do things different. But am I too much too late? I know I shouldn't be calling, with so much to say about the way that I'm falling, cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. But am I too much, too late? I know I shouldn't be calling with so much to say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. Too much, too late. So much to say. Turn you away. Too much, too late. You're a flower in the garden that I take advantage of, endlessly admiring every aspect of my nature, yeah. And I know I've never loved the way you do, but when your last petal falls is when I try to get to you. But am I too much, too late? I know I shouldn't be calling with so much to say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. You're a diamond in the middle of 100,000 stones, constantly reminding me that I am worth as much as gold. And I know I can never come close in comparison. If you give me one more chance again, I swear I'll do things different. But am I too much, too late? I know I shouldn't be calling with so much to say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. Am I? Am I? So much to say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. But am I too much, too late? I know I shouldn't be calling with so much to say about the way that I'm falling, 'cause I turn you away. Now I'm wondering if I am too much, too late. Too much, too late. So much to say. Turn you away. Too much, too late. You're a flower in the garden that I take advantage of, endlessly admiring every aspect of my nature, yeah. And I know I've never loved the way you do, but last petal falls is when I try to get to you.
Okay, guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the quality. Please leave me a comment down below of what the quality was like, if you really liked my new setup, things like that. I'm also going to try to work on a new intro because I'm just trying to change everything around. I'm changing my room. I'm changing my background. I'm changing my intro. I'm just trying to do a lot of stuff on my channel and just have fun with it, you know. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can follow along with me, follow along when I upload. If you want to click the bell, go ahead and click the bell. That way YouTube can personally notify you that I've uploaded. Also, leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Leave me a comment about anything, good, bad, sad, you want to talk. Leave me a comment in the description box. Also, give the video a thumbs up, helps out the channel a lot, and lets me know that you enjoyed the video. And again, I hope you guys really did enjoy it. I hope you guys like my makeup, even though I know you guys probably seen this like 1,000,001 times, but you never seen me do it. So that is basically it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
But am I too much, too late? I know I should